So, moving along with my hobby, and I'm starting to need more and more things. I've been wanting one of these band saws. It's a lot smaller than I wanted, but I did get it 50 bucks. It works really well. It's kind of rough. A little short for me. So I'm going to have to make the legs taller. And I don't know if it's supposed to be open, but I feel like it needs a cover. So I'm going to start with making one there. And then some of them I've been looking at. Thicker metals have some kind of coolant. So I'm going to add this jobber in here into the cut for some of my thicker steel. But I think 50 bucks we can make this thing do whatever we want to do. Kind of a flat style, but I think it'll keep your little fingies out of the blade. That is not how you stay in the lines. The rest of it looks okay. Alright, kind of rough as it can be, but now I'll cut the top part, let it either touch or overlap. I don't know. What do you think, Za? You okay with this? Alright. Alright, top's welded on. Just got holes left to drill and tap, and I have no clue if this is how it's supposed to look. But all the bases are covered, and it does not rub when you turn it on. I'm just going to make a few caps and cover those. And then we'll make better smudge pots, straighter cuts on those things, and thicker pipe with the ability to cut it now.